just gonna put you guys over here. Put you right here. Yes. Oh, yeah, I'm right. I think this one. Okay. That's just my brother. His name's Jacob. It's little pink bunny. Subscribe right now. Subscribe. I said if I get 300 likes, I'll sell this Rogo slime. And if you don't like it, I'll make you another one. 300,000 likes or 300. Doesn't matter. Just subscribe down and comment below, and I will sell my merch. It's called Live Life, Good Love. It's called I'm gonna do it like this. Good life, good love. That's what it's called. And then I can design your name on it. Call anything name. Like, say anybody got a name named Jacob, because that's the name I had. I can make more names. Any name Cameron, anybody's name Tiana, Tatiana. But wait, can I show you my dog? I don't want to show you that. Little bit. Look. Hey, little bit. What?
Didn't I ask you to pick that up?
Yeah, I'm not gonna make it now.
No, I asked you to pick it up.
I'm trying to knit together so it won't get sticky. I'm trying to knit together so it won't get sticky. And then I'll put it away. Put the what? Fan on it? Yeah, sorry, it's just still like over. Yeah, I'm gonna try this, some lotion and some activator together. Nickelodeon activator. I'm gonna try them together. Cause they say if you mix activator and lotion together, it'll make a form of fluffy slime. I really want to try that. It's working. It's working, guys. It's working. They really did tell the truth. They tell the truth. It's working. It's metallic. Gold Roast metallic rubber band slime. And if you want it, come get it. All I need is 300,000 likes or 300 likes. But tell me where you live and stuff so I can send it to you. Or I'm gonna put my slime on eBay, Amazon, Wish. I'll probably do that tomorrow. So guys, I'll see you later, or I'll do one now. I just gotta turn you off a little bit. See the big sister.